I'm on break again, and so today we're going to do the rectifier diode mod for the cargo light with reverse. So we're going to do that in a second here. So it's a pretty warm day today. We just got to stick that resistor in. We're going to see if it works or not, and hopefully it increases the reverse light that it projects when you put it in reverse. So I heard it's a good mod. I do enjoy the cargo lights. I switched them out for some LEDs. So we're gonna do that now. Okay, so it is this brown wire and this blue striped wire. We're going to jump these two connections with the rectifier, and the silver stripe is going to be on the connector side. So bear with me here.
I take this, put nice little bends on it with one hand, slip in here and here, like so. I'm going to wiggle the connection to push it in there real deep. And same deal with this one. I'm going to wiggle it and push, wiggle it and push. I'm going to straighten it out a little bit. Should be it, guys. Hope you can see it good. So, we'll reinsert the picture. Sorry, sun's in my way. Now we're in front of the sun. I'll reinsert the picture so you can see it, and now we're going to test it.
Okay, as you can see, I had to pull the connector, wiggle it in there, 10 times better than it was. So, let's try this again. I'm going to put my phone down for the rest. Reconnect the BCM connector. Why is it so bright today? Holy fucking shit. Alright, we're back. Let's see what we got. Cargo lights are on. Cargo lights off. Brake. Reverse. Parking brake. Cargo lights, reverse lights with the cargo lights. That's it. 5-minute mod, $5 or under. That's about it. Catch you guys later. Thanks. Peace.